First, so before we go into what is digital marketing, I want you to know, anyone know what is marketing first? What we do in marketing, what is the term of marketing tells you? Any idea? Okay, fine. I'll only tell you. See, marketing is the process of whatever the product you have or the services you have, right? You want to make sure this services or this product, what you have with you want to communicate or tell others, the surrounding people or to your customers regarding what product or what services you are providing. You want to convey all those information to the customer so that they will know about your product or the services. In case they are interested, they will buy or they will communicate with you and they'll be joining to your what services you will be providing, right? They'll be joining and they'll be showing interest. Once they show interest or they join or they buy your product, right, then you will get some revenue, means you will be getting a price for that. Because if you think, if you have a product you're selling to one person, obviously you will be giving you the amount, right? What if the product cost is 10 rupees, if you're selling the 10 rupees, you'll be getting a revenue, means you'll be doing a profit, right? That is what the term marketing means. Okay, how you tell or communicate to your customers regarding your product or services, what you want to sell, right? That thing, how you will be doing it, right? And after doing that, what revenue, what the price or amount you will be generating, that we call it as a market. Fine. Once if you join prefix means before the word, okay? Before marketing, if you join the prefix digital, once if the digital comes before the marketing, the term what it happens is digital marketing. What it tells you that this way of information providing or selling your product or service, or any of the thing that you want to tell to your customer, showcase your product or your company or increase your brand to the customer, that time you'll be going in a digital way. Digital way means what? Online. Whatever the advertisement you do through online platform, using market, using online platform to market your product or services, that is called as digital marketing. You got the point, guys? Okay, this digital marketing online platform, you already know, we have YouTube, you have Facebook, you have Google, you have Instagram. There are n number of platforms in online, right? Using those platform, if you are coming and you're selling your product or you're trying to showcase your product, at that way of communication and telling to your customer regarding your no, what things you want to brand, okay? When you do your marketing using this channel, this is called as digital marketing. Why now digital marketing has got n number of what popularity? Because of the usage. Now currently we have people who are using digital marketing. 90% of people are more, they are using digital way of communicating, right? Since the user are increasing in the online platform, right, the value of digital marketing is also increasing day by day. Everything you get in digital, it means everything you get in online. You don't want to wait, you don't want to walk anywhere. Whatever the thing you require, daily necessity, or for the party purpose, or for your baby, or for your relatives, whatever you want to buy, or for your home, whatever the requirement is there, you can just Google it and you can immediately get a plenty of information. And if you're interested regarding the services product, you immediately will start buying it, you'll start booking that one. Since the usage of the people are more, the digital marketing, it is raising day by day to a high level. Fine. So we'll go further. As discussed, see, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the usage of internet and digital channels such as like social media, search engines, email, website, mobile apps to promote your product or services or brand. Okay, it's just why we do it this way, because we will be able to reach the customer easily. Very easily we can reach the customer, and we can also reach the targeted customer. We can just reach the group of persons. If you want to target only the person who are like under 12, you can target that particular sector area. Or if you want to target the people who are above 25, you can target only those people. Or if you want to target the people who live only in Bangalore city, or only the entire only state, Andhra Pradesh state or Tamil Nadu state, specific, you will be having a specific requirement where your customers are located, and this type of customer will be very interested in my product. If you have that idea, like the detailed targeting can be done in the digital marketing. So your customer, potential customers will be increasing, and once if you target the proper customer, your product or your services sales will be increasing more, hence you'll get a revenue also more. Yeah, thank you. So next we will go before digital marketing, before digital come, how people were doing the marketing, why we came for the digital way, before how the marketing was going on. Obviously, before digital marketing come, we were using the traditional marketing. Okay, traditional marketing means we were not using any online platform, mouth to mouth word with paper word, just the processing like that we were using until we get a digital concept. Okay, that is how we were doing the marketing in traditional way. So now we will see what exactly the difference between traditional marketing, how the traditional marketing was there, how digital marketing is there, what exactly difference we can find in this two, and which is very much useful for us. Fine. So we have like few points. Fine. The first thing is main important is that online channel. In digital marketing, we'll be using online channel, and traditional will be using offline channel. You can already see in my this one examples also. So in digital, online channels means we have a website, we have social media, we have email. Social media means you can come Facebook, Instagram, all the social media, whatever the online platforms are there, everything you can use it. Fine. But once if you go with traditional, there was at that moment online channel only was not existing, right? There were option only, offline channel was only the option for them to do the marketing. At that moment, what was the samples we have? It was TV, radio, and printer. Now also we do. Now also traditional marketing existing is there, but we use less. That's it, right? Why? Because of the cost. Because of the cost effective is more in the traditional marketing compared to digital marketing. Okay, if you want to give small advertisement in TV or in radio, or if you want to print this many of like pamphlets, okay, cost effective is more. Okay, it takes even for 1 minute, based on the minute wise the pricing raises. Okay, and it will be like 3 months, 6 months, there will be like a specific period. Based on that, once the agreement is over for 1 year or for the 6 months, again you need to pay for that, right? That is how it is there. And another one big advantage, what is that means, it's in digital marketing, what you can do, it's the interaction will be there between the customer and between the service provider. Like marketing, you think I am the marketer, between me and between the customer, I can build a interaction. Okay, so next I'll go further. Okay, since we saw the importance, this is the scope. Okay, scope and importance comes merge with each other. Okay, since we have so much this kind of importance in digital marketing, since importance is more, the scope of digital marketing also has increased highly. Why? Because of the wide range of marketing channels. Because I have option, either I can do marketing in Facebook, or I can do in the Google, or I can do in Google My Business. Okay, there also I can do it, or I can do in Instagram, or I can do in the email, or I can do in the WhatsApp marketing. many channels are there. It's not like that it's like only one channel. It's like dependent. In any ways I can target. If I feel FP is not working, I can go with Google. If I feel this has more budget, right, then I can use other channel which has less budget. So like that I have wide options, wide options. And so why scope is increased is that, see, once there will be like in marketing, okay, there will be person who is good in Facebook ads, who are good in Google ads, who are good in Instagram ads. At that moment it create job opportunities also. Many people will be looking only for the people who are good in Google ads, who are good in Instagram ads, who are good in only in social media. So the job roles also, it will give you more job opportunity based on the job roles, means based on which sector you are quite good. So that it will be helpful. Okay, it gives wide variety of channels as we told. And growing demand for online presence. Since first to when the digital marketing created, at that moment to now, if you come, everyday business is growing in online day by day very highly. First only you had like Facebook or Instagram for the marketing, okay. E-commerce like we had like Amazon, Flipkart. After Amazon, Flipkart, we had like any another online platforms of n number of online platforms we still have, okay. But not enter. Now Zoho has come, right? Zepto is there, right? First Zepto, what it has come, it has come just only for the like electronic goods like that. But now they already introduced the vegetable section also. Why they're increasing? Because online presence means the user of the people who are using are getting increased in the online. Now everyone, if they want to buy some grocery also, they don't want to step out, they'll just book. They want to buy milk, they will just go and download the app, they'll just book. I want milk, this much. For the lunch, for the restaurant, if they don't want to prepare, they don't want to go out, immediately they go to the app and they'll just start booking their food, whichever the food they want, Indian or Italian. Everything is like present in the online. They can just sit in their home and they can order, and they can do whatever the thing they want, right? Immediately they can take it as a requirement and get that requirement immediately done. Like they will also, those people also will be reducing the time and reducing their effort. They don't want. So here I will be discussing what kind of jobs you can get it in digital marketing, right? One is SEO specialist, okay. This person will be entirely responsible for the website visibility on Google search, okay. How your website will be shown, right? Because you can see your product, first it will be in the 10th page, then it will come to the 9th page. Because immediately when you start a new business, right, on the top only it won't show until you put your name, right? If you're going with like you see any someone is selling the baby product, any baby product, right? I have created my Shubha baby product. You think I have created one website regarding that. Someone is searching regarding baby product, my website doesn't come on top, because now starting I have created that. It takes some time to come to the first page, okay. For that, SEO should be continuously we need to do, and we need to check website optimization, visibility, all the activity. There will be set of rules, okay. That things should be done, okay, to make our website to come on the first page, first portion. If not in first portion, at least in third, fourth portion, because usually in the first page, first three portion will be occupied by the ad. The person who will be running ads, right, that 2 3 portion will be given to them, then the rest organic way it will be shown, okay. This job opportunity will be available, okay, as SEO specialist. Then as a content marketing specialist, okay, who will be responsible to create a good content for the where people will be able to understand your services and your product, okay. And that too, easy, not high standard, where because the customers who come to your website, you cannot differentiate what kind of in which way they are good, right? So it should be like whatever the content you're written, it should be easy to understand for any of the customers who are coming. So like that, kind of content. If you're good, then you can go with the content marketing specialist. This you'll be getting social media manager. This person is responsible all social media platform whichever he will be handling, right? Everything he should manage all the platforms. Okay, whatever the either ads or either online offline activities, whatever the small things also should be required in the updation in the social media platform, that you will be responsible. You will be handling all the accounts of the business, right? And see here,
Yes, ma'am.
either you can skip, okay, or else you can select, okay, what you would like to do. Okay, either you can skip or you can just select the options. So what I suggest is that instead of skipping, we will select all the option, because since we are using a free version, right? If I select this all options, there are chances that they will give a free version to use this kind of options enable. It will be done automatically for us. So that is the reason I have selected everything I want to trial in the WordPress. Okay, so I'll select all the option and I'll click on next. Okay, then you should see the theme section. Once you selected the option which are provided, right, then it will ask you to select a theme. Is everyone in the same dashboard?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
here you can just select the second theme. Okay, this is the Athira theme. Okay, just select that. Okay, after selecting, it's a free theme. You can see it's above, it's written as a free theme. Okay, I've selected that particular theme. Okay, and let me click on continue. Down on the left hand side only will get it, continue. So click on continue. So after clicking continue, whether you are able to come to the dashboard of WordPress, this is your account, your profile and your account, and this will be your dashboard. Guys, or everyone got to the you are able to log into the WordPress account?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, everyone are in the same
Yes, ma'am.
See here, one thing what I suggest is that once you open a WordPress account, okay, once you open a WordPress account, please don't delete that account. Why? I'll tell. You're using one Gmail ID, okay? You have created your WordPress using that particular Gmail ID. Fine. If you delete after creating an account, WordPress account, if you delete that, okay, since they are providing it as a free, okay, once again you want to create account using the same Gmail ID, they won't allow it. Okay, they don't allow it. Why? Because it's a free version. It will be like for them also, whatever now you have created, right, that database they would have stored, because for them it will be useful to retarget the customer. Because for now trial version I've taken, in case I'm interested, I can go for the paid version, right? So that is the reason, once if you delete also, immediately you cannot create another account, because your history, whatever the data you created, right, they will keep in their dashboard. Means whatever the storage place will be there, they will keep all the details. So until 45 days, again using the same Gmail ID, you cannot create the WordPress account. So once you created this one, right, don't delete here only and once again try to create a new account. Instead of that, if you want to practice, okay, I hope you have, your parents will be there, your brothers, sisters Gmail ID. I'm sure in home at least 4 members will be there, or at least 3 people will be there. Use their Gmail ID. Try to create an account if you want to do the practice also. Fine. But whatever now using your Gmail ID you created, right, don't delete that. Keep it. This is for the testing. Okay, for the class testing you keep. And the rest account using your mother Gmail ID, your father or your brothers, sisters, using that for practice, once again you can create your WordPress account. Fine.
Is it fine, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
You got point, right? Why you should not delete? Because it doesn't allow. They would have taken all the database regarding our details using which Gmail ID we created, why we created, all details will be there. So they don't allow immediately if we delete that account. Fine. So I think only few people are responding and giving me the comment. So I'll just call one by one. Okay. Stephen, are you able to come to the dashboard? WordPress dashboard?